Hmm?
Hmm.
Why this dollar?
Most people waste it. But the people who respect $1 will respect 1 million. That's not just any regular dollar bill, kid. The secret to wealth is simple. You kept it. Debt steals freedom.
I never thought about that. Can I use it now?
No. Money needs time. You don't dig it up tomorrow to see if it grew. See? It grew. Invest before spending.
My future comes first.
You made a different choice.
It's only the beginning.
Small choices become big futures.
I'll see this every day. No excuses. My future starts now. Need or want? Every dollar has a purpose. Small wins become big wealth. Learning pays forever. My money is working. Every week, I'm getting closer. I control my money. Slow growth still grows. I'm building my future. 1,000 already? Small steps, big results. I won't stop now. Maybe one day, future. Before luxury. Real wealth takes patience.
Congratulations, you earned it.
My bonus buys my future. I still remember. It all started with $1. Patience really works. It's time to say thank you.
You came back.
I never forgot your lesson.
I knew you would understand. What's this?
A small thank you.
You bought it? I never expected this.
You gave me my future. One small lesson can change a lifetime.